Hello viewers, this is a variable power supply project intended to be used as a bench power supply for hobby projects. This is a very simple circuit. As you can see, only a PIC microcontroller is used in the circuit. The output of this power supply is directly connected to a multimeter just for demo purpose. You can use it for any gadget. Now here you can see the output is 1.3 showing. By increasing the variable or incrementing it, you can see voltage is increasing, and you can use any type of voltages as per your requirement. There you can see 8.8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Actually, this gadget can give you up to 24 volts for your as per your requirement. There you can see 19, 20, 21, 22. Actually, this power supply is very helpful, very handy for hobby electronics lovers. Another purpose of this power supply, it can also be used as a digital voltmeter. I'll show you how to do that at the end of this tutorial. You can press off the switch and take both the leads, both the probes, and connect those probes to your power supply source, and it can measure that voltage onto this 7-segment display. Very handy in cases where you need only to measure some volts and you do not have your multimeter ready. It can be used. Also, it can also